This 2018 open-range 3x387 RBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used open range is 41 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 6, leveling jacks, LP detector, skylight, microwave, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, oven, DVD player, auxiliary battery, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath-and-a-half, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2018 open-range 3x387 RBS is 13,320 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.